decided to stop by and thank some of the donors and alumni who have helped support this cause, just because truly felt like home here in New Haven for a number of years, and I'm excited to one day emulate their generosity.
I actually think handwritten notes are very special, so I received one when I was admitted into Yale, and I was really excited by it. I think doing this is actually really nice, just to sort of remind them that we are really grateful for their contributions to the school.